In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails in Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and save time on routine tasks, then setting up automated emails is a perfect place to start. Let's dive right into this step-by-step process. First, you'll need to go to your board on Monday.com. If you already have a project board set up, that's great. Otherwise, you might want to create a new one if you're looking to start from scratch. This board is where you'll be adding your automation, so make sure it's ready and relevant to the tasks or projects you have in mind. Once you're in your board, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Automate option. Go ahead and click on that. This section is your gateway to creating all sorts of automations, not just for emails, but for other tasks as well, all designed to enhance productivity and efficiency. Next, you'll want to use the search bar to type in email. This will narrow down the options and quickly guide you to all the email-specific templates available. These templates are pre-designed automation recipes that you can utilize to automatically send emails based on specific triggers or conditions that you set on your board. After you've located the email template that suits your needs, click on Use Template to start customizing it for your process. Templates are a fantastic starting point because they remove a lot of initial guesswork and technical setup, allowing you instead to focus on how to tailor it to better fit your workflow. With the template in hand, you'll then choose the account connection you want to link. This could be your work email or any email account you use regularly for project communications. By doing this, you're allowing Monday.com to integrate directly, meaning any automated emails will come from this specified account, maintaining consistency in your communications. Now it's time to set the parameters for your automation. This involves specifying the triggers and actions, such as when an email should be sent and to whom. For instance, you might set it up so an email automatically sends to team members when a task reaches a certain stage or when new data is entered into the board. Finally, once you've configured your automation to your liking, simply click on Create Automation and voila, the system will be set to handle those email tasks for you. Always remember to check and test it out to ensure everything is working as intended. By automating these email tasks, not only do you free up valuable time, but you also minimize human error and ensure prompt communication. That wraps up our simple guide to automating emails in Monday.com. With these tools at your disposal, managing your projects and daily tasks should become smoother and more efficient. Thanks for joining us, and happy automating!